Holy. Look at this line, bro. I'm not turning left. Nuh-uh. Get my leg up. Ah, no, I'm cramping, bruh. I don't know if I can get my other leg up there. What the hell am I doing? I just realized I'm not speaking that much. I don't know. I don't see a reason to speak. Most of my videos are yap sessions anyway. Oh. This might be the spot. Oh no, it's wet. This is not the spot. That is not the spot. It is so wet. Ah! Ow! We're gonna go look at the Teslas. The Tesla factory. I think it's over there somewhere. Alright, I bet we're rolling up on that factory right now, bro. Tesla. Oh, what? They roped it off? Good thing I have a bike. Like, okay, Elon. I think Teslas look cool, but some Teslas, alright? Not all. Like, I gotta say, the Model 3 and the Model S and the new Model Y looks hella cool. Cybertruck is alright. The old Model Y is probably the ugliest looking one, in my opinion. But the new Model Y, whew, still not better than the Model S. I mean, it looks... Model S is like top tier, bro. You're not getting anything better than that. We taking the walks. Hey, Jersey Mike's way better than the Subway. Like, I know ball. I know hella ball. They're building a Chick-fil-A right here. So I guess technically I made it to Chick-fil-A. Hey, I need to make one of those videos. Me going to Chick-fil-A. Low-key, like right now, I'm gonna do that. If you see this in the video, I decided to not cut it out because I'm going to Chick-fil-A because I low-key like Chick-fil-A. And it's my most popular video, and I need recognition. Don't blame me. Don't flame me. Don't pay me. Please pay me. But, hey, the video would have ended here, but this Chick-fil-A is not built, so the video's not ending here. But we could probably pop a little on the walks here. Trying to pop some. I love this rear brake. TRPs, bro. I mean, I haven't tried like Ultra Brakes or Maguras, but so far TRPs are the GOAT. I missed my exit. Hold up. That's the one. Okay, that's one problem I have with TRPs. But I mean, you can't really get rid of brake squeal. It's gonna happen no matter what. Maybe these things just aren't bedded in, but they really should be because I've used them for a little bit now. How do I get to Chick-fil-A from here? Let me look it up. Here, let me stop. Okay, the closest one is way back up there. Okay, I know where to go to Chick-fil-A to get some Chick-fil-A. Hi. Hold on. I'll do a little something for you. Damn, my bike just doesn't have enough power, dude. I can't really wheelie that good. Especially when I'm going like 20. I mean, I should be able to wheelie it up at 20. But I don't know. What is everyone getting this lane? Like, they don't know this lane exists? I forgot I'm not a car. I can do this. Look at this, this line, bro. Now we're gonna hop on. We're gonna hop in this light. Let me make the lights, please! Yes! I just want some Chick-fil-A. I want some Chick-fil-A. And I didn't bring a backpack for Chick-fil-A. Walmart parking lot, one of the many locations of late night finds. Dude, we got some of these bikes. Ooh. Looks like we got a Razor. Or no, a C-Conic, or is that a Star Sonic? We got a Red Bull bike here. Now this is looking sweet. Damn. What even is this, bro? He's got ODIs. He's got, what are those? Are those Ultra Brakes? BRXN. Hey, I'll look up you, bro. I think these are Ultra Brakes. There's no way, bro. They literally are Ultra Brakes. I'm gonna squeeze it. Ultra Brakes, holy crap. Yo, we at Chick-fil-A right now. Alright, what Chick-fil-A am I trying to get though? I'm thinking maybe some ice cream, maybe just a sandwich. Hello. To go, please. Yeah. Could I do? Yep. Perfect, thank you. What did I even get? I forgot. Alright, but regen all the way. And this is going under my ass. Like you have the right of way. So, what are we doing? Ah, go, 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 go! I have an ice cream in here, and I'm feeling like my thighs starting to become cold, and I really, really hope, what do I hope? I hope that these things did not, the ice cream did not spill. Oh, he's got, what the hell is it? Oh, it's a Grom! Oh, he's on a Grom! Oh, perfect, a train. Yeah! I hate to skip all this traffic. Well, hey, that wraps up the video. I don't know why I'm yelling. It's loud. I can't even hear myself, but I trust this mic to pick up what I'm saying. So that is the end of the video. If you all did enjoy, subscribe. I got a lot better videos than this one. Trust me. Hey, but that is the end of the video, so I'm going to play the outro right now.